This week, the market taught me to follow my model religiously. Follow the model religiously. Only do what works. I told you guys that I made some money outside of my model trading gold. Listen, I'll never do that again, ever. Because the next day I tried that shit and I lost again. I lost. I won on the first day, lost on the second day. I'm like, what the fuck? And then I got into that mindset of like, I can make it back, and I started over trading. But you know what I did today? I stuck to my model and I made my money back and then some. Take a look at this trade. This is on NASDAQ at open. Price over here decided that it wanted to break structure to the downside. I waited because there was a 1 hour fair value gap below. Price had already been on an extremely bearish trend at this point, and I knew that there was going to be some sort of retracement before it went to the downside again, if it ever decided to do that. This was the retracement move, and it went up and broke structure to the upside. And when it broke structure to the upside, I waited for the manipulation leg, which would have been this leg, and I looked to see if there was any fair value gaps that got respected. There was a 1 minute, a 3 minute, and this 5 minute fair value gap that got respected. I stayed in the trade. I actually got in around down here, I ain't gonna lie. But I stayed in the trade from here to up here. That's a 1 to 6.5. 1 to 6. And this is how much I made. Boom. So needless to say, I am never not following my model again. I'm gonna follow my model forever. Forever. Discipline over FOMO. Forever.